How to maintain TR status in Canada. The key to maintaining TR status in Canada is the date and time of the submission for permit renewal. Using UTC, Coordinated Universal Time, to make time equal for all applicants, Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, requires that all renewal applications be submitted before midnight UTC the day that an applicant's initial permit expires to maintain TR status. How a temporary resident in Canada can lose their TR status. There are three primary reasons for a TR to lose their temporary resident status to study, work or visit. 1. If their temporary residence period has expired. 2. If it has been determined that they have not complied with any part of the Immigration and Refugee Protection Act. 3. If their temporary resident permit is cancelled. How to restore Canadian TR status after losing it. In any circumstance where a foreign national loses Canadian TR status, there is a process to restore it. At this time, an officer will examine the foreign national student, worker, or visitor to assess whether they meet the initial requirements for their stay, have complied with all other conditions, and are not the subject of a declaration made under subsection 22.11 of IRPA, and make a restoration decision. Accordingly, temporary resident permit, TRP, holders who allow their status to expire cannot apply for status restoration, and must instead apply for a new permit. Eligibility to restoration TR status. Applicants must apply within 90 days of loss of status. Remain in Canada until a decision is made. Have not failed to comply with any condition imposed automatically by regulation, or 183, or by an officer, or 185, other than those stated below. Continue to meet the requirements of a temporary resident and the requirements of the work or study permit, as applicable. Have only lost their status only because they remain in Canada beyond their authorized period. Working outside the type of work, employer or location of work imposed by their initial TR application. Engaging in studies that fall outside the type of studies/course, educational institution, times and periods of study, or location of studies imposed by their initial TR application. Fees for restoration of TR status. Visitors, standard $200 restoration fee only. Students, standard $200 restoration fee plus $150 fee for study permit processing. Workers, standard $200 restoration fee plus $155 fee for work permit processing.